Welcome to UNC Wilmington. At UNCW, we value continuous learning and development for all employees on campus. One of the best places to find learning and growth opportunities is through the Dare to Learn Academy, a service of the Employee Leadership, Learning, and Engagement team of Human Resources. This video tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up your own Dare to Learn Academy account on GoSignMeUp, which is our registration platform. We will also go over how to register for a course. To view a certain part of this video, please use the links in the description box below to skip to the section that you want. To begin, let's access the Dare to Learn Academy. You can do this through the Employee Leadership, Learning, and Engagement website. You can access this by searching Dare to Learn Academy from the UNCW homepage or going to URL www.uncw.edu/D2LA. From here, click the teal button that says, "Click here to explore offerings and register for a course." This is at the bottom right of the page. This will take you to the Dare to Learn Academy catalog and registration system. From here, let's create your account. Before you create your account, you'll need to know the following information: your UNCW email address, your UNCW employee ID number, it starts with an 850, your department, your division, your job title, your classification, which is whether you are an EHRA, SHRA, or faculty member, and the month and year that you were hired. You can find most of this information in your recent UNCW offer letter. To get started, click Create Account at the top right of the page. Then, fill in all the required fields. Be sure to use your whole UNCW email address in the email section. For your username, we recommend using your UNCW username so that it's easy to remember. The password you create for this system is not connected to your UNCW email account, so be sure to choose something that you will remember, as it will not necessarily be the same as your email password. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Agree and Create Account at the bottom of the screen. A box will pop up to let you know that you have successfully created your account. Click Continue to go to the Dare to Learn Academy catalog. Because you just created your account, you will already be logged in. There are a couple of ways to browse courses and offerings. This is the default screen. Classes are shown in chronological order. For a list view, click the list icon near the right side of the screen. You can also view the offerings in a calendar screen by clicking Calendar near the top of the page. Use the catalog screen that works best for you. You can always return to the default catalog by clicking Home at the top of the page. You can also browse for courses by category using the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. For example, if you only want to look at upcoming software training, click ITS, then click Software Training. Now the catalog only shows courses in this category, making it easier for you to find what you need. We recommend taking some time to explore the different categories and familiarizing yourself with the type of courses in each. Finally, you can search for a course by using the search bar. Upon searching, any class that has the search term in its name or description will appear. To leave the search, click X in the search bar. To learn more about a specific offering, simply click the class title from the catalog. This will bring up a new window from which you can see a course description, date and time, location, facilitators, and whether there are additional offerings of the same course but on different days or times. To go back to the catalog, click the X at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Alright, now let's register for some courses. There are 3 courses that each new employee should register for: New Employee Orientation, a Harassment Prevention Mini-Conference, and a Full Cycle Performance New Employee Workshop. First, let's register for New Employee Orientation. You can navigate to this by using the menu on the left and clicking HR Leadership and Talent Development and then New Employees. Or you can simply search for New Employee Orientation using the search bar. Find the date for the New Employee Orientation you plan to attend, likely the soonest one. Ask an onboarding specialist if you're not sure which date to register for. Click the title to open the course information. Double-check that you selected the right date. You'll also need to choose your preferred lunch from the course choices on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've done this, you're ready to register. Because this course is only for new employees, you must use an access code to sign up. The access code is capital NEO, NEO. Type it into the access code box and click Verify. A green check will appear to confirm that you entered the access code correctly. From here, click Register in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This class has now been added to your registration cart. Next, let's register for a harassment prevention mini-conference, which is required for all new UNCW employees. To find upcoming dates, click HR Employee Relations on the left-hand menu, then click Harassment Prevention. Choose the date and time that works best for you and click Register. You now have 2 courses in your registration cart. Finally, let's register for a full cycle performance new employee workshop. These are offered monthly, but we recommend taking one as early as possible. To get to this workshop, click HR Leadership and Talent Development on the left-hand menu. Then, you can either click Full Cycle Performance or New Employees. From here, find the next Full Cycle Performance New Employee workshop. Click on it to see more details, including if there is a date and time that works better for you. Once you've chosen the best date, click Register. You now have 3 courses in your registration cart, which is indicated by the cart icon on the main page. To check out, click the cart icon and then click Check Out. Double-check that the courses you chose are correct. Once you're ready, click Proceed to Next Step. You are now registered for all 3 courses. From here, you can go back to the course catalog to continue browsing, or you can visit your account dashboard. You can access your account dashboard anytime by clicking My Account at the top of the catalog. In your dashboard, you'll see your user information, which you can update as needed. You'll also see any emails that you have received from the system, such as your registration confirmation or emails from the facilitators. Finally, you'll see the courses that you are currently registered for in the box on the bottom right. This is also where you can cancel registration for a course if you end up not being able to attend. To cancel your registration, find the course you wish to cancel, then click the drop-down menu under the Action column. Click Cancel Course, and a pop-up box will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. If you are, click Yes. Then, when you go back to your account dashboard, you will see that you are no longer registered for that class. You can also see which classes you've canceled in the past under the Canceled tab. Other useful tabs on this page include Waiting, which will show any courses for which you are on the wait list, as well as Past, which will show all courses you have attended in the past. As mentioned before, you can always return to the main catalog by clicking Home at the top of the screen. And that's it! If you have any questions, please reach out to a member of our team and we'll be happy to help you navigate the registration system. For more videos and tutorials on using the Dare to Learn Academy with GoSignMeUp, please click the links on the screen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the upcoming workshops.